this video, I want to show you how to make yummy banana chips. In this tutorial, I'm using a baking pan with some foil, a knife and a cutting board, bananas, and optional is some extra seasoning. For the first step, I'm going to wrap the foil around my baking sheet. Next step, I'm going to peel all the bananas and just set them aside for now. The longer you let these ripen, the sweeter they will be, but they'll be squishy when you cut them. So I found it easiest when they're still firm enough where they could cut cleanly like this, but sweet enough to enjoy. Next up, I'm going to slice the bananas. They need to be fairly thin, roughly 1/8 of an inch. Something like this is fine. If it's too thick, then it won't be able to dehydrate cleanly, and it'll end up being a nasty sticky mess on your sheet. Once you slice the bananas, put them on your baking tray like this. It's fine if they touch. Once you fill the baking tray, you can put some optional seasoning. I'm just going to use normal table salt. Now I'm going to put in the oven and turn it to 250. I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and then flip them. So it's been 30 minutes, but they're still a little gooey on top, so I'm going to wait a little bit longer. They need to be slightly hardened on the outside just so they'll be easier to flip. Okay, the slices are stiff enough, so I'm going to go and take them out. I'm just going to flip them upside down. Slices are flipped. I'm just going to put it right back in the oven. Now I'm just going to set the timer for about 45 minutes. The slices look about done, so I'm going to remove them from the oven. You can continue to cook these to get them very crunchy, but I don't like them crunchy, so I'm just going to remove them right here. They're pretty dehydrated, but they won't get stuck in my teeth like they do when they get really hard. So now these are ready to go. To store them, I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc baggie. And now these are ready to eat as is. I'm just going to store them in the fridge. And that is how to make banana chips. Thanks for watching.